Long-term health isn't built through shortcuts, it's built through regulation. Semen retention works not because semen itself is magical, but because it forces a man to stop living in constant neurological overload. When overstimulation ends, the body finally exits emergency mode. Hormones stabilize, stress signals quiet down, and the system begins repairing instead of reacting. Chronic stimulation keeps cortisol elevated. High cortisol over years damages immunity, digestion, sleep quality, and cardiovascular health. Retention indirectly lowers this stress burden by removing compulsive dopamine spikes. When urges are no longer constantly triggered, the nervous system regains balance, and balance is the foundation of longevity. Sleep quality is one of the first long-term health upgrades. Men on retention often report deeper, uninterrupted sleep because the brain isn't hijacked by late-night stimulation. Deep sleep is where growth hormone releases, tissues repair, and the immune system resets. Over decades, this alone separates aging well from aging fast. Retention also encourages energy conservation. When the body isn't repeatedly drained and forced to recover, nutrients are used more efficiently. Micronutrients like zinc, magnesium, and B vitamins, often depleted by poor habits, are redirected towards cellular repair, brain function, and hormonal stability. This creates resilience over time, not short-term spikes. Another overlooked benefit is improved metabolic discipline. Retention tends to reduce impulsive behaviors, junk food binges, erratic schedules, and dopamine-driven habits. This indirectly supports insulin sensitivity, weight regulation, and gut health. Long-term health is behavioral before it is biological. Cardiovascular health also benefits from nervous system regulation. Chronic stimulation keeps the body in a fight-or-flight state, elevating heart rate and blood pressure. Retention promotes parasympathetic dominance, rest, digest, recover. Over years, this reduces wear on the heart and blood vessels. Mental health is inseparable from physical health. Retention builds emotional regulation by removing constant reward seeking. Anxiety reduces. Focus improves. Mood stabilizes. A stable mind makes better lifestyle decisions consistently, and consistency is what protects health across decades. Retention also strengthens discipline pathways in the brain. When a man proves he can delay gratification, prefrontal cortex activity improves. This part of the brain governs planning, impulse control, and long-term thinking. Strong executive function leads to healthier choices automatically, not through willpower, but through identity. Inflammation is the silent killer behind most chronic disease. While retention isn't a cure, it reduces behaviors that fuel inflammation, poor sleep, stress, addiction loops, and hormonal chaos. Lower inflammation means joints last longer, organs age slower, and recovery improves year after year. Ultimately, semen retention improves long-term health because it restores order. It aligns biology with discipline. It shifts a man from consumption to conservation, from reaction to control. Health isn't something you chase, it's something that appears when your system is no longer under constant attack. Retention removes the noise. What remains is durability. One of the most important long-term benefits of retention is hormonal rhythm stabilization. Instead of sharp spikes and crashes, the endocrine system begins operating within healthier ranges. Stable testosterone, balanced prolactin, and regulated dopamine create an internal environment where tissues repair consistently rather than reactively. Over time, immune function strengthens because the body is no longer distracted by constant recovery cycles. Chronic overstimulation weakens immunity through stress hormones. Retention reduces this load, allowing white blood cell activity and inflammatory response to normalize, which improves resistance to illness as the years pass. Digestive health quietly improves as stress-driven gut disruption decreases. Many men don't realize how closely dopamine addiction and gut inflammation are linked. As impulsive habits fade, gut motility, nutrient absorption, and microbiome balance stabilize, key factors in long-term vitality. Retention also preserves neurological health. Excessive stimulation exhausts dopamine receptors, leading to long-term motivational decline. By restoring dopamine sensitivity, retention protects cognitive drive and mental sharpness well into later life. Motivation stops being forced, it becomes available. Joint and musculoskeletal health benefit indirectly as inflammation lowers and sleep deepens. The body repairs connective tissue more efficiently during deep sleep phases, which are often compromised by addictive behaviors. Over decades, this reduces chronic pain and physical degeneration. Retention encourages sustainable energy patterns. Instead of relying on stimulants and emotional highs, energy becomes steady and predictable. This protects adrenal health and prevents burnout, a major factor in premature aging and long-term exhaustion. Another long-term gain is improved emotional resilience. Stress no longer accumulates unchecked. When emotions process cleanly, the nervous system avoids chronic activation. This protects cardiovascular health, digestion, and immune balance over the lifespan. Retention also supports healthier aging through identity reinforcement. A man who practices restraint is more likely to maintain routines, exercise, nutrition, sleep, that compound over time. Health is rarely lost suddenly, it erodes slowly through neglect. Retention interrupts that erosion. Brain aging slows when impulsive behavior decreases. Less novelty chasing means reduced oxidative stress in neural pathways. Over time, this preserves memory, focus, and decision-making capacity, traits strongly correlated with long-term independence and quality of life. In the long view, semen retention is not about denial, it's about sustainability. It reduces biological debt. It keeps systems aligned instead of overstretched. Men who retain don't just feel better now, they age better later. That is the real health dividend. Long-term health is ultimately about how often the body is forced into recovery mode. Semen retention reduces unnecessary recovery cycles. When recovery is no longer constant, the body can allocate resources toward maintenance and optimization instead of damage control. Retention also protects the nervous system from chronic fatigue. Excessive stimulation trains the brain to stay alert even when it should rest. Over time, this dysregulation leads to anxiety disorders and burnout. Retention restores natural on-off rhythms that preserve neurological health across decades. Men practicing retention often develop greater sensitivity to their bodies. Subtle signs of imbalance, poor sleep, inflammation, mental fog, are noticed earlier and corrected sooner. This awareness prevents small issues from becoming chronic conditions later in life. Another overlooked benefit is improved vascular health. When stress hormones remain elevated for years, blood vessels stiffen and degrade. Retention reduces sympathetic overdrive, allowing blood vessels to remain flexible, supporting circulation and long-term cardiovascular resilience. Retention indirectly improves posture and movement quality. With higher baseline energy and reduced fatigue, men move more deliberately. Muscles engage properly, breathing deepens, and structural imbalances correct over time, reducing injury risk as the body ages. Long-term hormonal health also supports bone density. Stable testosterone and growth hormone release during deep sleep help maintain skeletal strength. This lowers the risk of fractures and degeneration later in life, a critical but often ignored aspect of male health. Retention strengthens mental endurance. A mind trained to sit with discomfort without escaping builds psychological stamina. This resilience protects against depression and learned helplessness, both of which severely impact long-term physical health. Over years, men on retention tend to adopt slower, more intentional lifestyles. Speed and chaos decline. Meals improve. Training becomes smarter. Sleep becomes sacred. These choices compound quietly, but their impact on longevity is massive. Retention also reduces reliance on external coping mechanisms, alcohol, pornography, emotional escapism. Eliminating these reduces toxic load on the liver, brain, and endocrine system, preserving organ function deep into later life. Over the long arc of life, the greatest threat to health isn't intensity, it's imbalance. Semen retention trains the body away from extremes. Instead of constant peaks and crashes, the system learns consistency. Consistency is what allows organs, hormones, and the nervous system to age without collapse. Retention also reshapes how stress is processed. Stress itself isn't the enemy, unrelieved stress is. By reducing compulsive outlets, retention forces stress to be resolved through movement, rest, and adaptation rather than escape. This keeps stress from embedding itself into the body as chronic disease. A man who retains tends to develop a stronger relationship with routine. Wake times stabilize. Training becomes regular. Meals become intentional. These rhythms synchronize circadian biology, which governs hormone release, immune cycles, and cellular repair. Circadian alignment is one of the strongest predictors of long-term health. Retention supports cognitive longevity by preserving attentional depth. Instead of fragmenting focus across constant novelty, the brain learns sustained concentration again. Over years, this protects against mental decline by strengthening neural pathways associated with memory, reasoning, and decision-making. Another long-term advantage is emotional economy. Retention reduces emotional overreaction and impulsive expression. This lowers wear on the cardiovascular and nervous systems. Fewer emotional spikes mean fewer physiological spikes, and that preservation adds up across decades. Men who retain often experience fewer addictive substitutions over time. Because the reward system recalibrates, pleasure becomes less urgent and more earned. This protects the brain from dependency cycles that accelerate aging and degrade mental health in later years. Retention also increases tolerance for stillness. The ability to rest without stimulation allows the body to enter deeper recovery states. Stillness is where repair happens. Without it, the body ages under constant low-grade strain. Long-term health is deeply tied to identity. A man who identifies as disciplined behaves differently under pressure. Retention reinforces that identity daily. Over time, identity-driven behavior protects health more reliably than motivation ever could. In the end, semen retention supports long-term health because it teaches stewardship of energy. A man who protects his energy protects his body. He doesn't burn fast, he endures. That endurance is the true measure of health.